Hey everyone, my name's Sacra, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a sub, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving deep into sweep picking, a technique that allows for smooth and efficient arpeggio playing. Unlike alternate picking, where each note gets a separate pick stroke, sweep picking allows for a single fluid motion across multiple strings, combined with precise fret-hand coordination. Sweep picking is a staple in many styles of music, but is most commonly associated with styles like shred guitar, neoclassical metal, or just metal. You can hear sweep picking from guitar legends like Randy Rhoads, Yngwie Malmsteen, Jason Becker, Jeff Loomis, and many more. Before we start sweeping, let's break down triads, as they form the foundation of our arpeggios. A triad, in short, is a three-note chord built off the 1, 3, and 5. There are four main types of triads: major, 1, 3, 5, minor, 1, flat 3, 5, diminished, 1, flat 3, flat 5, and augmented, 1, 3, sharp 5. If you're interested in learning more about music theory, definitely reach out to me using the email in the description regarding guitar lessons. I love to teach. In this lesson, we're going to start by sweeping 2-string triad inversions all the way through 6-string triad inversions, adding a string in each chapter. The first part of each exercise is going to be to play all the inversions of G major, G minor, and G diminished. I excluded augmented from this as it's less common and doesn't appear in major harmony. Then we're actually going to harmonize a G major scale using these triad inversions, and from there we're going to apply these to an actual chord progression of 1, 6, 2, 7 diminished. That's G major, E minor, A minor, and F sharp diminished. Lastly, we're going to explore voice leading that same progression, ensuring a smooth transition between each arpeggio for a seamless sound. This voice leading section will be labeled mixed in the tabs. I chose to demonstrate these exercises at a moderate tempo, so hopefully most players can play along. But if you have trouble with the speed, whether it's too slow or too fast, be sure to use YouTube's playback settings to help with that. Let's get started with our 2-string sweep exercise. Here are 2 different ways to pick these patterns. Be sure to try them both out. You never know which one you might like. Once you feel comfortable with 2-string sweeps, it's time to move on to 3-string sweeps. Hopefully you've been taking note of where the root is, the 3rd, the 5th, and what triad inversion you're playing. If not, be sure to take note of that, as it's going to make your progress a lot faster in the long run. Here are 2 different picking patterns you can use for these 3-string sweeps. Hopefully you had fun with 3-string sweeps, because now it's time for 4-string sweeps. Honestly, these are the least common, but they're really important to learn as they make up larger shapes. Be sure to try out these 2 picking patterns. So if you didn't have so much fun with your 4-string sweeps, have no fear. 5-string sweeps are here. 5-string sweeps are broken up into 2 parts, 5.1 and 5.2. 5.1 is just a typical 5-string sweep. 5.2, however, adds an additional note on the A string. This actually changes the inversion of the triad, so take note of that in the tabs. Hopefully you had fun with your 5-string sweeps, because now we're in our last and final chapter, 6-string sweeps, which is also broken up into 2 parts, 6.1 and 6.2. 6.1 utilizes a fingering with 1 note on the low E, 2 on the A, and then you continue on with your normal 5-string sweep. With 6.2, we're actually going to be playing 2 notes on the low E, and then continue on with our normal 5-string shape. Congratulations, you made it all the way to the end. Now it's time for you to go to the guitar store and buy yourself a 7-string and start sweeping across all 7 strings. But I won't make you do that here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned a lot. Also, just remember that the most important thing you could learn is how to build your triads, like major, minor, augmented, and diminished, as that is the knowledge that will truly unlock the fretboard for you. Fingerings and picking patterns are just a suggestion. Also, be sure to try out these inversions using different root notes, also harmonizing different scales like major, minor, harmonic minor, melodic minor. Try different picking patterns like double picking, triple picking, quadruple picking, playing these forward and backwards, up and down, all around. Honestly, the options are endless. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button for more videos in the future. And if you want to check out something on my channel right now, be sure to do that. I have other lesson videos. And if you're looking for guitar lessons or a more personalized learning approach, definitely email me using the email in the description and I would love to teach you. But for now, I'll see you next time.